'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a surface was decorated, nothing festive about. No stockings were hung by the chimney with care. They're definitely not ready for Saint Nic to be there. When what to our wondering eyes should appear? But Chalk Couture products full of holiday cheer. There's snowflakes and trees. There's chalking, we're smitten. On cutouts or on any hard surface we're given. On the mantle, the tree, on things for the walls. Now chalk away, chalk on it all. And others will exclaim, as gifts come into their sight, Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night.